At Amphenol Industrial Operations, we connect the world to sustainable energy. Welcome to our Mesa, Arizona facility, our U.S. manufacturing site dedicated to powering the solar revolution.
Mesa is an important strategic manufacturing hub for us in the solar market. We're building advanced interconnect solutions right here in the U.S., close to our customers, and with a team that understands the demands of the solar industry.
Here in Mesa, we manufacture the Saguaro Junction Box, a rugged, field-proven solution designed to integrate seamlessly into photovoltaic module systems. Every unit is built for durability, reliability, and long-term performance in harsh environments.
Our team takes pride in assembling each junction box with care. Design is robust, and the consistency we deliver comes from our focus on repeatability and efficiency.
Our H4 Plus connectors are engineered for safety and stability. Featuring RadSock contact technology, IP68 sealing, and UL 1500V ratings, these connectors are trusted by solar leaders around the globe.
The H4 series of connectors is more than just a line of PV connectors. They're safeguards for solar installations. Every feature, from the ratcheting back caps to the contact plating technology, is designed with safety and longevity in mind.
Every connection we produce in Mesa is thoroughly tested to IEC and UL standards. We simulate years of field conditions, heat, humidity, and thermal shock, ensuring long-term power, performance, and safety.
In our Mesa division for solar products, we look at all of our quality metrics. We look at crimping, we look at insulation integrity, and we look at our contact resistance. Not only do we make sure that the product is reliable for today, but we make sure it holds up for future applications in the real world.
It's not just our technology that sets Mesa apart, it's our people. Our team brings together engineering, craftsmanship, and a shared mission to deliver excellence with every connection.
The culture here is about ownership. Everybody here understands the impact of what they're doing. And accountability is not just simply building quality parts, but it's also creating product that the customers can rely on. We're not just giving them good product, we're also helping them power the future.
Amphenol Industrial Operations. Strong connections, powerful solutions. Delivered from Mesa, Arizona, where our commitment to quality helps customers build the future of energy.